Today we are going to be making slime. And in order to do that, we need to talk about the states of matter. So, what is matter? Well, matter is everything. Our whole world is made up of matter. Matter is basically just stuff, and it comes usually in three forms. The first state of matter is solid. Things that are solid hold their shape, and they don't flow in the way water does. You can see that I'm tapping on this glass cup, and it's not losing its shape. That's because the cup is solid. The second state of matter is liquid. Liquids take on the shape of whatever container they're in. So as I move this measuring cup around, you can see that the water also moves to take on the shape of the measuring cup. Liquids also flow when they are at the right temperature. The third state of matter is gas. The air all around us is a gas. It's not something you can usually see or hold on to, and you can only really feel it when you move your hands around like this. But it's all around us all the time. As you make your slime, I want you to ask yourself, is slime a solid, a liquid, or a gas? That's something we'll come back around to at the end. In order to make slime, you'll need these ingredients: 4 fluid ounces or half a cup of Elmer's glue, some food coloring, a wooden stirrer, a half teaspoon of Borax Powder, and 1 cup of water. You'll also need a plate or tray and 2 cups or bowls for mixing. The first thing you'll want to do is take a half cup of water, pour your borax into it, and stir so that the powder begins to dissolve. The next step is to empty your bottle of glue into a different bowl. It may take a couple of minutes for all the glue to drain out. Once you've got all of your glue, you can empty your other half cup of water into the same bowl and mix the glue and the water until they're fully combined. This is the point at which you can add food coloring. I used 3 drops of blue, but you can use whatever you want. At this point, you can also add glitter or confetti if you so choose. Once your glue, water, and food coloring are totally mixed, it's time to create a chemical reaction. Take your water and borax mixture and go ahead and pour it right into your bowl of glue. Start stirring, and the mixture should immediately begin to clump up. The more you stir, the thicker the mixture will get. After you've mixed, you can dump out the mixture onto a plate or tray and start working it with your hands. It will probably start out wet and gooey, but keep kneading it and it will become smooth and stretchy. Now I'd like to return to the question of states of matter. Is slime a solid, a liquid, or a gas? If you said solid or liquid, you're partially right. Slime is actually a special kind of substance that does not fit into any of the states of matter. It's called a non-Newtonian fluid, and it's somewhere in between a solid and a liquid. Slime is also known as a polymer. Polymers are substances that are made up of strings of molecules, or tiny pieces of matter, that are all the same. And because they're all the same, they slip and slide against each other, and they create that slimy consistency. Other examples of polymers include rubber, some kinds of plastic, and even the hair on your own head. There are polymers all around us. When you're done playing with your slime, remember to store it in an airtight place like a plastic bag or a Tupperware container. Thanks for making slime with me today.